Representative Denise Garlick, who represents the 13th Norfolk District, presented a report to the community on Tuesday, February 15th. She discussed what she worked on in 2021 and provided an outlook for what will be on the table in the near future. Here's a look at the Zoom event.
The number one thing I was able to do was secure $1.25 million in ARPA funding for capital improvements at the Needham Housing Authority. This is a tremendous accomplishment, and it allows us to move forward with something that we have talked about in our town for many, many years. And now this money will help to seed a project going forward. We had also secured $1.5 million in a bond authorization for capital improvements. In working with Beth Israel Deaconess Hospital Needham, in the budget, I was able to secure $90,000 for us to hire a behavioral health manager to respond to the many increased needs of mental health and behavioral health systems, not only related to COVID, but also related to the abrupt closure of Norwood Hospital and our hospital taking in a high population of patients with needs. And that partnership is with Riverside, and I believe it's a pilot program, and we will, if we are successful in this, we will see more programs like this in the Commonwealth. And in the town of Needham, I was able to secure $50,000 for a feasibility study on retrofitting the center at the Heights and $50,000 to apply for public health department accreditation. The budget headlines that you're going to see from the FY22 are here around the mental health services, the environment, education, and food security. Housing and transportation in polls across the Commonwealth are listed as the number one and number two needs. I am supporting transportation issues that we're hearing in the Commonwealth, and I believe that it is tied to certainly when we're talking about climate change and what we need for public transportation. When I talk about infrastructure for roads and bridges, that's good, but we can do better around public transportation, and we must do better around public transportation. We certainly have seen in our district early education and childcare as a great need. Stay safe, Needham. This is our town, and we're working hard to take care of it.